When was the last time you checked on the child you used to be? We get so busy building our careers, managing our bank accounts, and surviving the brutal demands of adulthood that we completely forget about the little boy or girl who started this journey. We leave them behind in the shadows of our past, carrying all the early struggles, the unfair heartbreaks, and the quiet confusion of a world they were too small to understand. But here is the truth. You don't run away from your childhood. You either heal it or you repeat it. Today, we are stepping into the time machine. We are going back to the very beginning, pulling up a chair next to that scared little kid and delivering the message they've been waiting decades to hear. This is Letters to the Child I Was. Dear little me, I'm writing this letter to you from a future you haven't even dreamed of yet. And the first thing I need to say to you is, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I spent so many years being ashamed of your awkwardness. I'm sorry I blamed you for the things that happened to you, things that were entirely out of your control. I'm sorry for the times I looked in the mirror as an adult and hated the reflection, forgetting that by doing so, I was hating you. I remember how heavy the world felt to you back then. I remember the nights you lay awake in the dark, wishing you were older, wishing you were stronger, or just wishing you were somewhere else. You had to learn how to read the temperature of a room before you even learned how to read a book. You had to build walls to protect your soft heart because the people around you didn't know how to guard it. You had to grow up entirely too fast, and I want to tell you it wasn't fair. But I didn't come back here just to mourn with you. I came to give you your crown. I need you to look at me right now. Look at the hands writing this letter. They are strong. Look at this heart. It is still beating. Every single time they told you that you weren't smart enough, you were laying the brickwork for my intellect. Every time they left you out on the playground and made you feel invisible, you were cultivating the deep, beautiful inner world that fuels my creativity today. Your sensitivity wasn't a defect, it was your superpower. You didn't break under the pressure of that childhood. You became the shield. You absorbed the confusion, survived the chaos, and kept the fire alive so that I could inherit a life of freedom. You aren't the source of my shame. You are the architect of my survival. So, little one, this is my promise to you. I am taking over the watch. You no longer have to guard the door. You no longer have to prove your worth to people who cannot see you. I have built a safe harbor for us now. I have the money to protect us. I have the boundaries to defend us, and I have the wisdom to guide us. Your shift is officially over. You don't have to carry the family secrets anymore. You don't have to be perfect to be loved. Go run. Go play. Go color outside the lines. Leave the adult problems to me because I am strong enough to handle them now. Thank you for not giving up on us. You can finally rest. To everyone watching this video, the child you used to be is still living inside the architecture of your mind. If they are still crying, it's because they are waiting for you to go back and rescue them. Let's begin the healing process tonight. Leave a comment below and write directly to them. You survived it, I've got it from here. This is the Mirage Archive, a sanctuary for real stories of human endurance, recovery, and inner triumph. If you are ready to reclaim your past and build an unshakable tomorrow, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join the family. Until next time, protect your inner light.